Hi there, friends. Katie Rex here, your simple stylist. Today I was in the middle of doing my makeup and I started doing half my face, as you can see. And I thought, well, I'll just go live to do the other half because I think it's so incredible, Saint's Cream Foundational System and how natural looking this makeup will just give you such a flawless look. So you can see this side of my face is makeup free. And this side is just so natural, uplifting. The redness is gone. I've got bright, beautiful eye coverage, redness coverage, acne coverage, discoloration. It looks just so flawless, blends in with my actual skin tones and colors so well. If you are interested in a color match, just go to the link in my bio and fill out the color match form, and I will send over your custom colors that I would recommend for you to go in your palette. So this is one of the larger palettes by Saint. We have so many different sizes and you get to pick honestly what goes in your compact. This is what I have in mind right now. So I'm just going to get started and finish out this side of my face, and I'll talk you through kind of what I do and what colors I use for my face. However, your colors are going to be completely different, I'm sure, because no two faces are the same, right? So I have 3 highlight colors, which are foundational colors in my compact. The first one is a color corrector. The second one is more like my main shade foundation. And the third one is like a concealer or brightener to add some brightness into the face. So I'm using our blush and bronzer brush. You guys, you get such a discount if you purchase the combo with the brush and the bronzer together. Always a recommendation that I make because this is my favorite application for all over foundation color. So I'm going to start out by going in the darkest color here, and I'm just going to spot treat and buff and correct some of this redness that is going on across my face. You'll also see how quick, because everything's in one easy to use compact, I can just like go through putting my makeup on so quick. Because I'm not, opening up different bottles, etc. throughout, rummaging through a makeup bag, all that stuff. It's all just right here. Next, after I get the redness, I'm going to go into that main shade, and I'm just going to buff this all over, including on top of that color corrector. I'm just blending it in with the other half. Like I said, I've already achieved my makeup look for the day on this side. I typically go for a more simple makeup look. Every once in a blue moon I'll bust out some pretty more glam looks, I guess, but this is just like my mom look. Just every day if I'm going out and want to put a quick face on, I will. So there you have it. That was just 2 shades in my compact, and you can see how I've reduced all that redness. I'm back to just one neutral tone across the whole side of my face. And now I'm going to go back through and add some of that dimension in. So I'm going to pause on this brush and I'm going to move over to our detail brush. This is my absolute favorite brush for contouring and brightening. So I always recommend these 2 together. So with the, what is this? Like blunt end, I'm going to go on an angle like so in my contour. So I only get makeup on half the brush. And then I'm just going to gently in an upward motion find that cheekbone and tap that contour on like so and buff it up. So it's going to start to add the chiseled out cheekbones and add some dimension. With the cream foundation, the best part is you can add up. You build the makeup up. So if you want to add a little more, add a little more. And if you like a lighter coverage, just don't use as much product to start out. Absolutely amazing. I'm going to add a little bit to my hairline around my temples. That's just going to add some of that depth and dimension up there around my face and my forehead. We're drawing all the attention to our eyes. That's what we do when we highlight and contour. Now I'm going to grab just a little bit more and I go down the sides of my nose. One of my tips and tricks for you guys when you are nose contouring is what you'll see many women do, and other makeup artists even, is they contour all the way from the top of their eyebrow and they follow this line all the way down to the tip of their nose. Sometimes they'll chisel out the end of their nose or cut in right here. If you prefer to do your nose contour that way, totally by all means, please do. What I prefer to do though is, because it all depends on the shape of your nose, honestly. Because my nose actually is pretty thin already up here, I don't need to contour it out even more. I'm actually going to focus my contour on the lower half of my nose, and I'm going to focus the brightening in there as well. So I just do a bright strip down the middle with my brightener, and then I focus my contour just towards the ball of my nose, because this is the part that I want to sleek out. I don't actually want to sleek this top part out. It's already thin. You're just adding product to a place that you don't necessarily need it. And with Saint Makeup, you're all about placing product just only where it's actually needed. One very beautiful thin layer of makeup, not cakey, very natural looking. Because it's a cream foundation, it's going to be more moisturizing to your skin. It's just going to be absolutely beautiful. Okay, so I contoured around my cheekbone, forehead, showed you guys how to contour your nose. You could do under the lip, and you could add a little bit under your jaw to just make a more pronounced jaw, and clean up and shadow here directly underneath where that is. So I'm just going to extend my jaw out and clean that up. Perfect. Now I'm going to, I still want that brush. I'm going to go in with the smaller, and all of Saint's brushes are double-ended, so you always get double the bang for your buck, so to speak. Now I'm going into the brightest shade or the lightest shade in my compact, just snagging a little bit on the end of that brush, and I'm going to brighten here under my eyes, and I focus more towards the inner corner of my eye, the side of my nose. If you have broken capillaries or larger pores, use a this like swirling motion like so, and it's just going to correct those. Look at how I'm getting close to the screen because I want you guys to see just how flawless this makeup looks on your skin. Okay, clean up under that eye a little bit. Then I'm going to, so I already brightened down my nose. I'm going to do a titch of brightening above my eyebrow. I still have to chisel this eyebrow out a little bit on the outer corner here. So I'm just kind of tapping and brushing, uplifting top of the cheekbone. I like to touch right above my lip, so I already did the other side, and on my chin. So I'm just popping that, and you can see the brightness coming into effect. Now, if you ladies are anything like me, you've seen the redness that was in my face at the beginning, but yet my neck and chest are always so much lighter. I am obsessed with self-tanner. However, I have not self-tanned in a few days. So I just want to take that brightening color and hit my jawline like so. That's going to help, one, chisel out your contour just a little bit more. It's also going to help blend any of the lightness between your chest, neck, and chin and your face all together. Do you see how we're kind of forming these dimensions? And because it's a cream, it's going to basically like melt right in with your complexion, with your face, and then you just blend it out. It makes it so easy to blend this product out. I call this like mistake proof because it's so simple and easy to apply. Okay, so now that I'm done with all of those, I am going to hit up, I'm going to switch back to my other brush, and I'm going to hit up my bronzer. So I just grab a little bit on my fluffier end of the brush, puff it out, not too much, and then I hit the high point of my cheekbone like so, and raise it up, and hit my forehead in the temples, and blend that out. Love this stuff. And you can see just the natural look that we are making. I do add bronzer to my neck and chest. Like I said, I like to be bronze even though my body, I'm not naturally a bronze type person. The sun does not like me, so I have to fake it. But I'm super excited for some warmer weather, hopefully about to hit. So that is the foundational system. I'm going to add some blush. This color here, you see everything is in one compact. I think I'm done with that brush, so I'm going to put that down. So I worked through these right here, these 5. I've got a few different, one of the reasons I have a larger compact is because I like different lip and cheeks to be in here, because I like a different color for my lips than my cheeks, all of that good stuff. So I'm going in with this one on the end. It's called Frenchie. She's just a beautiful pink, like a peachy pink. So I'm tapping into her, and then I'm just going to hit the top of the cheekbone. So I'm hitting directly on my cheekbone, but behind the apple of my cheek. And I just kind of pounce that on and then bring a little bit down into my actual apple. But I like to focus on the upper half because I want everything to be uplifting in a way. I want to make my face look rounder than it already is. Okay, now I'm going to switch over to another brush here that I have to apply. I'm going to need those. I'm going to keep these out next. Where's it at? Here it is. So this is our line brush right here. And I like to use this to apply my lip color if I'm not using, this is Boardwalk, one of our brand new colors as well, this middle one. You can see how like this one's more satin, not as glossy, and this one more has a gloss finish. I like to put the gloss on my lips, so that's why I kind of picked a similar shade, but this one actually is a gloss. And I have one of my eyelashes in there, don't I? Okay. Okay, now that I have that on my lips, I might add a little bit of this pink. This one's also new. It's called Candy. Love her. Just popping that in the middle. And then I'm going to still use the same brush and go into my contour. And I'm just going to softly contour the outer corner of my lips, like so. Super natural, super beautiful look. Okay, next, because these are 2 levels, I'm going to go down to the bottom level. It's where I keep all my powders, all my eyeshadows. You see I still have room for more to fill in. I took them out for the weekend and moved to a smaller compact. But this is typically the one that I use. Okay, so I'm going to start with my eyebrows, and I'm going to comb everything up. That was the multitasker brush. I think I called it the line brush, but this is the line brush because it has the little spoolie and the sleek line here. And I'm going into this color. This color is Oak, and I'm going to shape my eyebrows. So I just start with a gentle, soft line going all the way up. And then to the arch of your eye, and then I'm going to finish out the tail. So I just fill in that tail there. And then we fill in the top. So I'm just following the natural line of my brow. Like so. And then I'm just going to do small little hair-like strokes here. And fill that in. And then I just go back to the spoolie end and clean it up. I personally don't do the boyfriend brow, so I do comb everything down. But I do spool it all up first. Okay, next I'm going to need my eyeshadow brush. So here's my eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to go into the color right above that, which, let me look, I think it's Sedona. Beautiful. Okay. Wanted to make sure I had the right color. So Sedona, and this is just a 2-color eyeshadow look. So I'm just blending right into that crease, this color Sedona, working in a windshield wiper motion and blending it up once I have the color laid out all the way to the brow, like so. Boom. Then I'm going to take a little bit of it on the other end. Again, all of our brushes are double-ended. So the smaller end, and just create a little bit of dimension there on the bottom and some shadowing on the bottom. Then I'm going to clean off my brush using this brush tile cleaner, so anything that's on there from that color is gone. And then I'm going to switch into this color, which is Drift, and I'm just going to pick up a little bit of that and go right on my lid. Again, this is just a easy, very easy, simple two-step eyeshadow color and go into the corner here. And that is it. And then I just kind of blend those together. Again, you can build them up. Just add a little more on this one compared to that one. Build them up and boom. Then I'm going to go through and just add some mascara. And that is all I did for this look today. Super simple, super easy. You guys seen how quick I just whipped out that look. Granted, it was only half my face, but it would have taken me the same time to do the full face. And this mascara is by Thrive Cosmetics. It is called Liquid Lash Extension. Just absolute favorite mascara for me. And there you guys have it. So, again, if you guys are looking for a really simple, really beautiful makeup system, you can go full on glam. You can have the most natural look possible as well. It is so versatile. Saint Beauty. Send me a color match. Click the link in my bio for a color match form, and I'll send over what I would put in your custom compact for you. We are only available in the US and Canada, by the way. So, just pointing that out as well. I get questions a lot about the UK. I wish we could ship there, you guys. If you have a place here in the States or in Canada that you can ship to, we can always set that up, and then somebody here can get that over to you as well, okay? That is all for me then for today. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we will talk soon. Bye.